We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
Welcome back, everyone. After spending our first 3 days in the Galapagos Islands on Santa Cruz Island, it's time for our early morning speedboat journey to Isabela Island. The boat ticket is $25 per person each way, which is okay for a 2.5-hour journey. Our Airbnb host actually booked the reservation for us, and we simply paid her back for it. I believe these boats run twice a day, year-round at 6:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m.
Good morning, it's 6:30 in the morning. We're leaving Santa Cruz for a different island here in the Galapagos. My eyes are still asleep. Bye.
We just arrived, got off the big boat into a little water taxi for $1 a person. It looks like we do have to pay to be here, a municipal port tax of, I think, $10 a person for foreigners. We're still maybe 2/3 of a mile from the main town, so probably have to hop on a taxi. So many sea lions over on that dock. We were walking to see if there's a bus or taxi. Oh gosh, there's sea lions in front of me. Hey mister, I'm gonna get by, just right on by you, okay? Oh, and the missus. See ya. Welcome to Hostal Via Mil here in Isabela in the Galapagos Islands. Let's check out our room.
So we showed up a little early and they were so nice to let us in and get the Wi-Fi, get the AC, because we just took a 2-hour plus boat ride from the other island.
All right, here we go. So, not a whole lot to see, but as I show everything to you, we let a fly in. Marco?
It's all
Be thinking about the price, because people say the Galapagos is super expensive. So anyway, first we have a nice little table and one stool, so one of us can sit and do something with the stool.
That's the
nice
dining
little
room.
Painting there, little end table over there. Oh, I got it. Nice bed, feels comfy so far from our brief lay. And we have the sea lions, of course, which are beautiful. Oh, nice, the light, that's helpful. End table, awesome. Best part is the view, baby. Let's go.
Wow,
Look at
that's
that.
a
So you can
beauty.
see where they hang some of their
I'm
clothes.
so happy we have an oceanfront view.
Super cool. And then we have our open closet area. That's actually the most important thing.
Oh, thank the
Here,
Lord.
baby, let's go.
Thank the Lord.
And then in here, the bathroom. Looks like a nice bathroom. Super cool. All right, you ready for the price? $120 for 4 nights. $30 a night. Cash money, baby.
Woo!
All right, guys, $3 an hour or $10 a day to rent some bikes. We are on them and we're headed to Las Playitas, I think. Towards the beach, hopefully see some giant land tortoises and some other pretty stuff. Riding through a bunch of stuff right now. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Having a party here, fiesta. It was hard to understand, I don't know how often, but they're preparing for some kind of party that only happens this week, I guess. I don't know. Isabela is the least built up of the 3 inhabited islands in the Galapagos, but potentially the most wildlife, so we've heard. Iguana crossing. Sorry, I'm riding my bike. That's beautiful looking. Wow. What the heck?
Welcome to the Galapagos. This is Isabela Island. We have a marine iguana, a black marine iguana. They're good at swimming and saying hello. Hi.
That's beautiful. That is a nice beach. Wow. Cementerio. Like, we've been riding for, I don't know, at least 10 minutes. Looks really cool. Huh. They're pretty intricate too, really nice. Like tombs. Oh, little Spider-Man. Really cool. Here we have the Galapagos tortoise. One of the largest in the planet. As I was creeping through the woods to go look at the other one, I'm thinking, we're gonna roll up on one really close, even bigger with good visibility. Well, there you have it.
Here's his head.
His head's in the front. He's kind of ducked under, but hold on. Let me see the phone real quick and check out the back. They actually tag them and study them, and you can see they like molded onto the back. Pretty interesting and pretty non-invasive as well. And he can't see it. You think it's dead?
Yeah.
What?
Jeremy, look at it.
I mean, he's not moving at all.
No, but its body's in like paralysis. There's ants crawling all over. The head's gone. What are you talking about?
Wait a second.
Maybe the eyes are gone.
No.
Yes, there's ants all over its body.
Hold on, let's try to zoom in because I see
That's
his
not even a head
eye.
anymore.
I mean, it
No, I think
is.
it's gone.
Oh my gosh, could you be right? But they totally watch these things and protect them.
His neck's out. It's back in.
That thing is massive. Alright, dude. You're the biggest one I've seen. That's like 3-footer. Jeez. I'm just walking my bike by. Holy smokes, that sucker's huge. Dang, my boy hit the dust. That's he's done. Yeah, you can barely see them, but there are a bunch of marine iguanas down below. Oh, he's moving. Hey, buddy. Wow, so cool to see them all. And ready? Whoa! And there's more up on the ledge over there. Whoa! $5 for that and that. Rice beans, cheese, fries, pescado. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on post notifications for more weekly travel videos. See ya!